Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you a very interesting penthouse, and you won't believe the price of this unit. It is worth every penny because of the layout, the view, the location of the property. So let's go inside and check out how the property looks. So as soon as you enter the property, you get this foyer area. You are not directly entering into the living area. This creates a premium feel plus a privacy. You don't get to see this in a lot of apartments. Now let's check out the living area. Wow, just look at the interiors and how spacious it is. So the best part about the white interior is it makes the room look bigger. And now if we talk about the dining table, here we have 8-seater dining table. The positioning of the table, it is right between the living area and the kitchen. So whenever you have guests coming in, it becomes very easy to host them. Now let's check out the lounge area. What I like about this is you can create multiple zones here. Now this can be a place where you can watch your TV, chill with your family, and this zone you have for the entertainment. You have your pool table. It is fully furnished penthouse, so you don't have to get anything. Just bring your bags and start living in the apartment. Whatever you see in the apartment, you get it as it is. Now let me take you to the heart of this property, your closed kitchen. A lot of people, they prefer closed kitchens. So you have your one entrance from the living area, and you also have one entrance from the bedroom. So it creates a privacy when you have your guests and you just want to have your private time and you want to enjoy your food. You can enter from here and you still maintain privacy there. It is a fully equipped kitchen. You have your fridge. Now here you get your fridge. You have a lot of cabinets here. Here you get microwave and oven, plus also you get dishwasher here. And what I love about this kitchen is this tabletop, because many a times I don't want to sit all the time in the bedroom or maybe in the living area. I want to see the live cooking, enjoy my coffee, enjoy my breakfast. Also, the best part is it has a good spacious balcony, so you don't feel claustrophobic here. So now let me explain you the layout of this penthouse. This is 3,172 square feet. Now as soon as you enter from this foyer area, you have already seen the living area. On the left hand side, you get your powder room. When you go ahead, on the left hand side, you see master bedroom, maid's room. So there are 2 bedrooms here, and on the right hand side you have 2 bedrooms here. So one bedroom which was connected to your kitchen, which I showed you before. Now this is a fully Alexa controlled smart home. So all your lights, your curtains, your music, everything is controlled by Alexa. Now this actually gives a little bit of modern touch. I love it when I just love gadgets. I keep switching the curtains on and off. I know it's kiddish. Now let me explain you this master bedroom. It has beautiful sea view, a lovely view of Atlantis. You get to see Atlantis, the main attractions of Dubai. I haven't spoken about where this property is located. I will let you know about that. It is at one of the most prime locations. Now on the right hand side, if you want to enjoy the city view, you have your city view as well from here or that window. And then there's a hidden gem here. So if you want to just soak in watching TV, this is not just a regular washroom. You have your jacuzzi along with your TV and a beautiful view. Now this cabinet you can use as a storage, extra storage, or maybe a shoe rack, anything that you like. Now let's go and check out the second bedroom. Now this is your second bedroom. Again, it is quite spacious. It has a standing balcony. Also, after keeping a bed, you have a lot of space to run around here. Now if you want to see the view from here, wow, this is just lovely. So you have a lot of yachts and ships, and as you are on the highest floor, you can see how deep it is when you look down. Okay, now let's check out the third bedroom. I'm going to show you all 4 bedrooms. Now on the right hand side, you have your another washroom, and this is your steam and your spa room. So in one apartment you get so many things. You have your steam, you have jacuzzi, you have your maid's room with beautiful view. Now we are heading towards the other bedrooms. Now on the right hand side, you have your bedroom with the ensuite washroom again. And from this bedroom again, you have the same beautiful view of Palm Atlantis and even the new Royal Atlantis. I love the interior, I love the backdrop because it gives a very urban and very authentic look. It is not too jazzy, not too sparkly. This is quite spacious. Now if you have a family of 4, 5 or even more, this is quite spacious for you. Every kid can have their own personal room. Now this is your maid's room. So now to summarize this is 3,172 square feet, 4-bedroom penthouse along with the maid's room. Now when I said that I haven't given out the location yet, but while explaining the apartment, I did. So this penthouse is located in Dubai Marina. You have the famous cafes, restaurants, you name it and you have it. So it is at one of the prime locations. Now, the best part about this is the price. Mostly in Dubai, when you see the penthouse will cost you minimum 15 to 20 million. But just guess the price of this. Well, I'll tell you, it was 4.8 million before, and now the price has dropped to 4.4 million for the early sale. That will include all the furniture, fixtures, everything that you see here. So if you're seriously interested in buying this penthouse, just comment penthouse and I'm going to share all the details and will also schedule viewings for you. Now let me enjoy my game. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share my video.